Let us now understand question number F from exercise 4.1, question number 8. So it is written, a notebook contains 110 pages. Okay, there was a notebook which contains 110 pages. Now find the total number of pages in 32 such notebook. If one notebook contains 110 pages, we have to find the number of pages in 32 such notebooks. So how to do, let us see. Now see, number of pages in one notebook is 110. So to find the number of pages in 32 notebooks, what we will do, we will multiply 110 with 32. So after multiplying 32 with 110, we got 3520. So number of pages in 32 notebooks are 3520. Now let us understand question number G. 72% can sit in one compartment of a train. How many person can sit in 17 such compartment? Now see, in a compartment of a train, okay, 72 person can sit. Okay, in one compartment of a train, 72 persons can sit. And the question is asking that how many people can sit in 17 compartments. So how to do, let us see. So now see here, number of persons can sit in one compartment equals to 72. So in one compartment 72 people can sit. So now number of people who can sit in 17 compartments are 72 into 17. So after multiplying 72 with 17, we got 1224. So in 17 compartments 1224 people can sit. Okay, now let us see question number H. A newspaper vendor delivers 183 papers daily. How many papers does he deliver in the month of January? So it is given in the question that in one day a newspaper vendor delivers 183 newspaper. Okay, he delivers 183 newspapers in one day, and we have to find how many newspaper he will deliver in the month of January. So in the month of January, how many days are there? There are 31 days. So we have to find in 31 days how many newspaper will be sent by this vendor. So now see here, number of papers delivered by vendor in one day is 183. So newspaper that will be delivered in the month of January, what we will do, we will multiply 183 with 31. Why we have multiplied 183 with 31? Because in the month of January there are 31 days. So we have to multiply 183 with 31. So after multiplying 183 with 31, how much we got? We got 5673. So the newspaper vendor delivers 5673 papers in the month of January. Now see question number I. 42 schools all over India participated in All India Camel Coloring Contest. If the number of entries from school was 125, find the total number of participants who participated in All India Camel Coloring Contest. So it is given that 42 schools have participated in the competition. Okay, 42 schools have participated in the competition, and from each school how many entries were there, how many students participated? 125 students participated from one school. Okay, from one school 125 students participated. So we have to find the total number of participants. Okay, we have to find the total number of participants, or we have to find the total number of students who participated in the competition. So now see, number of students participated from one school is 125. Okay, so to find the number of students who participated from 420 schools, what we have to do, we have to multiply 420 with 125. So after multiplying 420 with 125, we will get the total number of students from all the schools. So after multiplying, we got 52,500. So 52,500 students participated in the camel coloring contest. Okay, in an orchard there are 357 rows of apple trees. There are 160 trees in each row. Find the total number of apples in the orchard. Now in question number J, it is given that there are 357 rows of apple tree. Okay, in the orchard there are 357 rows of apple tree, and there are 160 trees in each row. So in one row there are 160 trees. Okay, in one row there are 160 trees, and how many rows are there? There are 357 rows. So we have to find the total number of apple trees. To find this, what we will do, let us see. So number of trees in one row is 160, means 160 apple trees were there in one row, and number of trees in 357 rows. What to find that, what we will do, we will multiply 357 with 160. So number of apple trees in 357 rows are 57,120. So there are 57,120 trees are there in 357 rows. Okay, one row 160 trees, and 357 rows 57,120 trees. Now see question number K. Vaibhav has 650 notes of rupees 20. How much money does he have in all? So now see, Vaibhav has 650 notes of 20. So Vaibhav has how many 20 rupees? 650 20 rupees, means 650 notes of 20 rupees are there. Okay, he has 20 rupees, and how many 20 rupees are there? 650 20 rupees. So we have to find how much money he has, means we have to find how much amount he has. So see here, Vaibhav has 650 notes of rupees 20, means number of 20 rupee notes, how many he has? He has 650 notes of rupees 20. So to find the amount, how much amount he has, total amount, what we will do, we will multiply 650 with rupees 20. After multiplying 650 with rupees 20, we will get the total amount. Okay, so what is the amount? The amount is rupees 13,000. Okay, he has rupees 13,000 rupees with him.